In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new project in Asana. If you're new to Asana, think of a project as the home base for a group of related tasks, deadlines, and conversations. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, empty project that's ready for you and your team to start planning work. First, open Asana and head to the home page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace or organization, since projects live inside the space you're currently viewing. The home view gives you quick access to your teams, recent work, and shortcuts, and it's the easiest place to begin. Next, look for the plus icon that lets you create something new. Depending on your layout, you'll see a small plus button associated with projects or a create button in the header. Click that plus icon to open the creation menu. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the project's area. The plus will appear nearby. From the menu that opens, choose New Project. This tells Asana you want to spin up a dedicated space rather than a single task or message. You'll move into the project creation flow. Now select Blank Project. Asana offers many templates for common workflows like product launches or marketing calendars, but choosing blank gives you a neutral starting point and full control over structure. It's perfect when you already know how you want to organize tasks or you simply want a clean slate. Add your project name. Pick something short, specific, and scannable so your team recognizes it at a glance. A good pattern is function, scope, and timeframe, like Website Refresh Q3 or Onboarding Playbook. Clear naming makes it easier to search later and keeps your sidebar tidy. If you see optional fields for a description or ownership, you can use them for context, but the key action here is entering the project name. Click Continue to confirm your basic setup and move to the final step. This is a quick checkpoint where Asana gets everything ready behind the scenes. Lastly, click Create Project. Asana will open your brand new project, typically in a list or board layout depending on your defaults. You'll see an empty canvas where tasks, sections, and assignees will live. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right team and that the project name appears as expected. That's it. Your project is created and ready for work. From here, you can start adding tasks, organizing sections, and inviting collaborators. But for now, you've successfully set up a new project in Asana. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.